Hey, welcome to Lesson 1. Today we are learning how to read and write files. This is a big deal. Almost every real program needs to save data or load data from a file. Python makes this surprisingly easy. Let's look at the code on screen. See the first block? We are using the open function with the mode W. The W stands for write. And we are wrapping it in a with statement. The with statement is great because it automatically closes the file when we are done. No need to remember to close it yourself. Inside the block, we call f.write to add 2 lines of text. When we run this, Python creates a file called notes.txt and writes our text into it. Now look at the next section. Here we open the same file, but this time with mode R. The R stands for read. We call f.read, which grabs everything in the file as one big string. Then we print it out. Simple as that. But what if the file is really large? Look at the next block. Here we loop through the file line by line. This is more memory efficient because Python only loads one line at a time. We use strip to remove the extra newline character at the end of each line. Now scroll down a bit. Here we open the file with mode A. The A stands for append. This adds new content to the end of the file without erasing what is already there. That is the difference between W and A. The W mode erases everything and starts fresh. The A mode keeps what is there and adds to it. After appending, we read the file again to confirm the new line was added. Your challenge is this. Pause the video. Create a file called shopping.txt. Write 3 items to it, then read them back and print them. File I/O is one of those skills you will use in almost every project. See you in Lesson 2.